Okay, so next up, Bruiser for Phalanx, in this we need to kill 20 enemies with our fists in one deployment. This is pretty easy. Let's try getting some fist kills. I'll be going in with no weapons because why not? And we'll get them through fist kills. Okay, so spawning in an okay location, let's get some fist kills. Obviously we'll want to target low grade enemies rather than the higher tier ones, so it's just a matter of running around as fast as possible. At the very start of game, you can usually get some pretty cheeky quick kills just by sprinting towards AI before they seem to gain consciousness at the very beginning of a game. Now, if you have 2 weapons on you, either drop one of them, or if you can, put one in your backpack. That way you'll have your fists available. There's probably another way to get your fists available, but anyways, that's the method that I use. Such as these higher grade ones, you definitely don't want to go around with your fists to these. So that's already 2 fist kills, obviously not the easiest to do, and I don't think you'll be able to use your weapon melee in order to get these kills, as that's not technically your fists, but it's worth a shot as that might be a bit more easy to do at least. Would be cool if we could use a katana or something instead, that'd be much quicker. Anyways, I suppose they want to make these missions challenging. So catching them here when they come out the helicopter, at least they're a bit AFK mentally for a short while, so that's an easy way to get a few fist kills. I managed to get 3 there, taking me up to a total of 8. Seems that crouching makes the AI hit you a lot less, but obviously they'll still take you down. Now you could usually whittle down a squad to just 1 player or wait for them to come around the corner, or you could just go for it and rely on your teammates. So as soon as one runs out into the middle of the open, it's a good chance to go for them. As you can see, I've already got 6 out of 20. But yeah, getting a squad or team down to just 1 player left is probably the best thing to do. So having a 3-plate definitely makes life easier, and of course facing only 1 enemy at a time, or at least baiting them into somewhere that you can. So already we're on 9. We can hopefully get a few more here. There's 10. Seems like it's plus minus 2 plates per kill. Let's just hope our teammates can keep up. Okay, let's grab ourselves a few more plates before we attempt that again. At least we were less of a nuisance for our team this game. For example, there's 3 AI up here. We can handle 1, 2, perfect. Hopefully a 3rd one. Sweet. Maybe a 4th one. This one is in the middle of nowhere. 5th one maybe. Sweet. Caught him off guard. Well, that takes us up to 18 out of 20. We need 2 more and we're done. Right, so we're approaching a more armored one here. Seems hitting them from behind does a bit more damage, but I'm not too sure about that. Let's break his armor, give him a shot, and go in for a punch. Sweet. And that takes us up to 20. So probably the easiest thing to do for this is to wait for them to be alone, or of course get rid of their armor first, and then punch them when you can. Anyways, it's a relatively tricky mission, but easy enough to do if you are comfortable using lots and lots of plates. Anyways, thank you all for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.